in this example, we have theta. All right. We have theta, and then we want to be able to evaluate the half angle formula. So basically, all we're simply doing is, again, plugging these back in. We got to determine plus or minus. Well, if here's theta, then half of theta would be technically half of theta. We would still be go ahead and positive, since you can see that that is would be an acute angle. So I'll explain when we get to the positive and negative ones, but in this case, we're just going to leave it as the positive. So in this case, all we're simply doing, guys, is, again, plugging in our values. 1 plus cosine is negative 3 over 5 divided by 2. Now, again, we have fractions in the numerator and denominator. We want to get rid of those fractions, right? So what fraction would I want to get rid of? I want to get rid of this. What's in my denominator? Yeah, but that denominator. But in my numerator and denominator, technically I have complex fractions, right? What is my fraction? I have a fraction inside the numerator, right? Which has a denominator of 5. If you guys could think, if you rewrote every single number as a fraction, what is my common denominator of all my fractions? 5. So guess what? Let's multiply everything times 5. By doing that, I now get 5 minus 3 over 10. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times negative 3/5 is just negative 3. 5 times 2 is 10. Now, I still have a fraction, but now this becomes 2/10, which is the same thing as 1/5, which is the same thing as the square root of 1 over square root of 5, which is the same thing as 1 over the square root of 5, which is the same thing as square root of 5 over 5. And that would be your final answer.